Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are doing something that I wanted to do for like my entire life, like since birth. Okay, maybe not since birth, but like for a really long time. We are recreating tasty videos, not videos, like tasty recipes, things. I wanted to do them forever and now I'm finally doing them. Kitchen lighting sucks. I'm sorry, I tried. So the recipe that we're creating today is going to be cinnamon roll apple pie. I have never actually had apple pie before. I just thought it sounded really good. Fun fact about me, I watched like the tasty recipes probably every single day at 5 a.m. when I can't sleep. Every day. First thing you need to do, wait, I don't know where our pie pans are.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi, what's the matter?
Where would I find our pie pan? Oh wait, we had two. Love you. I have two, big one and like a small one. I feel like the big one will probably work better. First thing we need to do is preheat our oven to 350. Now you can see I'm wearing pajama pants. Next thing we need to do is peel and cut all the apples and place them into a bowl. Okay, the way they're cutting apples is really confusing. Apples, peeler, knife. I feel like these apples are definitely a lot smaller than the ones Tasty had. Now I just need to peel them.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back.
So I opted to do 6 apples instead of 5 because my apples were little baby apples. They're just small. They're so small. Compared to the apples at Tasty used, so I decided more smaller apples, you know. I also thought that peeling apples, like after a while, I'd get the hang of it and get like a little technique going. I didn't. It was rough. So now I need to figure out how they cut the apples because when they did it in the video, it was like really, really fast. I should have peeled it the way they did. Slow down, Tasty. Like this. I need a sharp knife. I don't think they did it like that. Oh, maybe they did do it like that. I don't think this is the way they did it, but this is the way I'm gonna do it. We are done with all the apples. Ta-da. 2 things I did not realize when cutting these. Number 1, how much strength it requires to cut an apple. And number 2, how much strength I do not have. But if you're going to cut an apple, I'd recommend one of these bigger ones, not like one of these little ones. They look like they have a lot more apples than I do. Should I do more? Okay, that looks a lot better. So the next thing that I need to do is add the sugar, cinnamon, and cornstarch. Okay, I literally got out a 4th cup, not a half cup. Lots of sugar, half a cup. That's how you know it's about to be good. That's a lot of sugar. A teaspoon of cinnamon. Woo! Do you guys remember when the cinnamon challenge was a thing? A tablespoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch is so much fun. And now we just mix it all up. This does not look as appetizing as the Tasty one, but I feel like they always just skip the hard part and they just skip to like the end. They're like, okay, let's mix, and then they're like, ta-da, we're done. All mixed. Okay, this freaking smells like Christmas. This should be a Bath and Body Works candle scent. I'm actually probably sure it is. Is it wrong that I just want to eat it now before it's a pie? This smell, like I want this to be a candle. I want to like live in this scent. It smells so good. Oh, it's starting to look like this. So this is done. Next up is the cinnamon rolls. Ooh, that was loud. We need to flour a surface and then roll them out. Fun fact, I put flour in here today because there was none in here and it got everywhere. And when I say everywhere, I mean, okay, we need a rolling pin. Where would a rolling pin be? Do we not have who doesn't have a rolling pin? Rolling, oh, we have a rolling pin. How do you open these? I always have my mom open these. I shouldn't have kicked her out of the house to film this. Mom, I need you. Wait, but seriously, how do you open these? I don't know how to open. How do you open this? Is there like a tear here? Don't you like hit it on something? I'm not stupid, I swear. This is not safe. Ah? Ooh. Oh, I'm not doing anything. I'm just peeling the wrapper off. Okay, but how do you open this? It's not like I can call my mom now. Why is this so hard? Am I not gonna be able to do this recipe because I can't get these open? Oh, I just dented it. I think I just made it worse. What if I just cut it? I can just cut it, right? No, I can't. What the heck? How to open cinnamon roll. Oh my gosh, people actually Google this too, so it's not just me. Oh my gosh, so they actually have YouTube videos on it.
This is press right here. Piece of cake.
Okay, he did that so easily. How do you get the wrapper off though? Press a spoon at seam until can open. Oh no, I just like stabbed it. Oh, I did it! Oh, I did it! I'm like literally so proud of myself. Cut each cinnamon roll in half and roll out with flour until thin. This is not as easy to cut because it kind of like smushes and I don't want to smush it. You know what? I guess I am kind of rolling them out. So does it really matter if I smush it? They look like really ugly cookies. Take some flour and then just sprinkle. Okay, we're sprinkling. Sprinkle back on top and then we roll. I've never actually used a rolling pin. Definitely think I used too much flour. And it's sticking to the rolling pin. I thought the flour was supposed to prevent it from sticking to the rolling pin. Round 2. What if I flour the rolling pin? I mean, it's not pretty, but it's flat. I know that this is probably not enough, but I'm getting impatient, so I'm gonna start assembling the pie. Take your cinnamon rolls and then just lay that as the crust. Supposed to like smush them together. Probably. Theirs don't look like as floured as mine do. This thing better taste good. Why does theirs are perfect circle. Freaking tasty. I blame that they're professional chefs and I'm not, so that's why theirs looks so much prettier than mine. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need more for the top. It's not turning out bad. Okay, that's my like bottom crust. Now the next step is to scoop everything in and then put the cinnamon rolls on top. I only have 1 cinnamon roll left, so I'm gonna need to roll more. But I kind of want to put the stuff in first. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, did I put the juice in too? There's lots of juice. But it didn't go in very nicely. Okay, yum. I'm gonna try to make it look pretty. Fingers crossed that it does look pretty, not ugly. It's kind of ugly. Pinch any holes together with your fingers. There's so many holes. What if there's holes? Is that bad? If there's holes, there's holes. Cover with foil and bake. Okay, there is no foil in this. How am I supposed to know to put foil in it if they didn't show it? Covered with foil, and now we put it in the oven for 35 minutes. While this is baking, I'm gonna clean up this huge mess I made. This is such an awkward angle. All the timer just went off. Okay, so next thing that we need to do is take it out of the oven, take the foil off, and then put it back in for 10 more minutes. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Oh, that does not look very good. Okay, the 10-minute timer just went off, but I feel like it's not near, okay, it's so bright. Like it's not golden brown enough, like it's still kind of doughy looking. So I don't know how much longer to keep it in for. So I might just do like 5 minutes. Okay, an extra 5 minutes. Ooh, it kind of looks still doughy in the middle. It still looks a little doughy like right there. I'm gonna take it out. My mom just told me that this is a casserole dish. I got impatient, so I heated these up for 30 seconds. I think I only need 1 of these. I'm making this look so ugly.
No, it's beautiful. I like it.
You're such a bad liar. I only use like half of 1 of these, and that's what it looks like. It kind of, I don't know how I feel about this.
It looks beautiful.
She's lying.
I am not lying.
You're that. I just want to eat my pie. She's not letting me eat my pie. That's all I want is to eat my pie. But she won't let me eat my pie because it's too hot and I'll burn my tongue. Finally. Who's gonna cut it? Cut it. Oof. Oh, it's like really liquidy. Should I know how to put the liquid in it?
Looks pretty good.
Ooh.
All right, get a fork and taste it.
Ooh.
You want some? Probably no.
The crust is the best part. Try it.
Not yet. I'm passing.
What?
The crust is the best part.
I told you. What I say? Yum.
Okay.
That's all you have to say.
Delicious.
I know. I give the apple pie a major thumbs up. I did 20 minutes after I took the foil off rather than 10, but everyone's oven is different, so that's something to keep in mind. But the apple pie was so good. I ate way too much of it. My food baby. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want me to continue doing these videos, let me know if there's any recipes that you want me to try out. Hopefully that the more I do these videos, the better like the quality and everything will be, because it's the first time I ever filmed in my kitchen. Question of the day, what's your favorite dessert? Mine's cookie dough. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.